Hi guys, welcome back to Love and Subscribe It. I know that most of you have been watching a video that has a little girl of paper animation. She goes to sleep and then she waves goodbye. So what I'm going to be doing is something a bit better than that. Okay? I know. This is just one character from Teen Titans, and this is Starfire, but you're gonna like this. See, it's going. Some silly stuff. Bye and this is actually used on Photoshop, and I can give you a tutorial on how I did it. So let's begin. This is what you're gonna start with, okay? So over there, you can see background. But today we're making our own character. Let's go with the Stickman for now. Okay. Okay. This is our Stickman. It is very tall, and I think it's gonna die. So, yeah. So if you look over here, you look under your photo, and you can see something called Create Video Timeline. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click on that, and then you have all this. So, how to start the video? Actually, I taught this myself. How to start the video is you're gonna click on this, and then, but it doesn't have another thing yet. So what we're gonna have to do is that we're gonna have to create another layer. So create another layer. Go to layer 0. No, layer 1. Now, you can add anything to your Stickman. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add spiky hair. Maybe a shirt. Okay. Let's delete the shirt. Okay. Another layer. Make the shirt. You don't have to do any of this. You could just do whatever you want. Now the pants. Pretty weird. Okay. Now we're gonna do some coloring in. Do the skin. Oh no, wrong thing. Oh, my hand. Oopsie. I know it's kind of creepy holding the phone, the camera with my left hand, and then using the mouse with my mouse with the right hand. Okay, back to the video. I'm on purposely making this look ugly. And then we can make our shirt. Another layer. Make our shirt blue. No need to add shadings. You don't have to fill in all the color, but you can, if you want to. You can copy an image from Google, anything. Now the pants. What color should we do with the pants? Yeah, let's just go with green. Ooh, grassy green. Okay. Okay, another layer. Go to this. Don't know why the pants look this ugly. Okay. Just show you the picture. This is what he looks like. Oh, I forgot about the hair. We're gonna make the hair yellow. Ooh. We're gonna start with the hair, then do the face, then do the shirt, and then do the pants. A layer. Make this. This reminds me of Lanky Box Adam. Oh no, wrong yellow. Yay, yellow. So then you're gonna go down here. You have all these, right? Okay, this is layer 7. But we want to start with layer 1. Okay, layer 7. Now let's try this. So you can put them anywhere you want. Oh, no. That has to start with that. What the heck? We could do audio track. I forgot about the new audio track. So you can add music to the video. I'm just not doing that. Let's check it out. Okay. What? You know, you can just do whatever you want. I have no idea what I'm actually doing. See, now the hair comes up. Oh my gosh. What did I do? It kind of looks cool, actually. Okay, don't look at that. He's naked. Oh my gosh, he's naked. Okay, bye. Sorry. Okay, bye.